Crap.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 514, effective until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Holy crap, did they just tune out?
This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Bowie, Marion.
Oh my god,
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
holy cow, did I
including
just miss
large
the
hail
tone
and
out?
damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 514 has been issued until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday for the following counties in Texas: Bowie, Marion, and Morris. You are listening to your weather
come
radio
on.
station.
Tone out. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Colin, Denton, Fannin, and Grayson, Hunt County until 9:45 Central Standard Time. Let's go.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunt County in north-central Texas.
Hunt County?
Southeastern Denton County in north-central Texas.
What's
Collin
wrong with
County
you?
in
It's
north-central
Hunt
Texas.
County, not
Southeastern
Hunt
Grayson
County.
in north-central Texas. Fannin County in north-central Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near White Rock to near Hebron, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Holy cow!
60 miles per hour.
Oh my gosh, that's a massive warning!
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Wiley,
heck,
Coppell,
Sherlock.
The Colony, Greenville, Satch C, Bonham, Commerce, Murphy, Prosper, Roy City, Enna, Fairview, and Princeton. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. The National Weather Service.
Holy cow, it's been an almighty 30 seconds since the last warning. This time it is Dallas and Tarrant. We're going right to the heart this time, folks. We're going right to the heart.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, till 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. We get it!
At 8:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Arlington, moving east at 60 miles per
No,
hour.
it was located over Forest Hill,
60 miles per
moron.
hour wind gusts. Source,
I'm
radar
crazy
indicated.
tonight.
Impact,
It's just been so
expects
long.
damage
I'm
to
really
roofs,
sorry, guys,
siding, and trees.
if I'm so crazy.
Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Carrollton, Richardson, Mansfield, Rowlett, Euless, DeSoto, Bedford, Grapevine, Cedar Hill, Keller, Coppell, Duncanville, and Hearst. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.
Well, that happened. Oh my god, they just issued a tornado warning! Heck yes, baby!
Colleyville, Corinth, Highland Village, Hazel.
And here comes the tone out. How did I time that? You know what? Since I have my H54 right here. Like I said, I'm kinda crazy tonight.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for East Central Tarrant County
Once again,
in North Central
right to
Texas,
the
Northwestern Dallas County in North
Yeah,
Central
I kinda
Texas,
suspected someone was up here when I saw a bit of a
Central
ball.
Standard Time.
It's gonna be heading, I'd say Arlington, Duncanville, Balch Springs, Dallas, and Mesquite.
A thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Grand Prairie, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Holy cow.
Hazard, tornado. Source, Radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cockrell Hill around 9:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Highland Park around 9:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. University Park around 9:25 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Right in there.
Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I'm trying to refrain from saying a certain word. That's my 69th EAS, y'all. It's been crazy already. Severe thunderstorm warning. Holy cow! Yes! Activations! Hang on, KKLT's gonna tone. Heck yes, baby!
Northwestern Bowie County and
Maybe we don't agree, maybe that doesn't. We just get brave.
Okay.
Central Standard
There we go.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles south of Sawyer to 6 miles west of DePort to Cooper Lake Park, Doctors Creek, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Buckfelder, Idabel, EAS, Augusta, Bagwell, Manchester, Detroit.
Yeah, I've turned those two to voice.
Hayward, Beaver Dams, Lydia, Good Lake,
What do you
Woodland, Redmond.
So, finally, activation. Boom! SVR. Boom! SVR. Boom! 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 SVRs.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard
Where
Time.
KKLT didn't tone this one.
In Texas, Bowie and Red River, and McCurtain, Oklahoma.
It's happening! That running snail's one loud radio. Good grief.
Central Fenwick County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, northern Morris County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Red River County in northeastern Texas, until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Idabel to 7 miles northwest of Wilkerson, moving east.
I am not gonna pull that one again. Good grief.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
This radio, loud.
Source,
Hang on.
radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
Shoot.
New Boston,
KKLT would have relayed by now.
EAS, Winthrop, Arkinda, Dalby Springs, Avery, Nona, Hayworth, Botuma,
I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the scanner
Beaver Dams, Hartswell, Lydia, Good Lake,
and the
Harris,
2008.
and English. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie, Morris and Red River, and McCurtain, Oklahoma, and the following counties in Arkansas, Little River and Sevier. The National Weather Service.
Well, guys,
Shreveport
thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the compilation, and as always, I just hope you enjoy.